Hey friends, I'm John Laspina. Today's topic is about the food that we eat, obviously, because that's what I talk about on this channel. And my focus is it's not how much you eat. A lot of people focus on the calories and the volume and counting and looking at the large amount versus the smaller amount, and thinking smaller consumption helps you lose weight. There's a little factual truth to that, but basically I want to focus on today is the quality of what you eat. It's what you eat, not how much you eat so much. So say you're doing a ketovore, or a carnivore way of eating, you want to focus on the foods that you're eating. What is it that you're putting in your human body for nourishment? Remember that nourishment is healthy protein, which comes from amino acids. There are a lot of amino acids out in nature. There are some that our body can make and generate, but there are essential amino acids we must eat in the food. We have to get them from the food we eat. And combined with the amino acids that our body makes, we make a complete protein. Protein is essential for so many reasons, as well as, building muscle. We must have a healthy amount of complete protein. That can only be gotten, if that's grammatically correct, from animal products. You can get some protein from plants, but as I've mentioned in many of my videos, a lot of that protein is blocked by anti-nutrients. You have to eat an enormous amount of plants, and you have to eat frequently to get the amount of protein that you get in a steak. So it's what you eat, not necessarily the quantity that you eat. So eat a good steak, or eat, if you don't have the money, have some hamburger meat. It's not that expensive. You can get an all beef hot dog. Hot dog is not the cleanest way to get your beef, but it's way less bad than eating Lucky Charms or eating a salad. You're not getting a lot of protein in a salad, folks. You're getting cellulose and fiber and a lot of anti-nutrients, believe it or not. Kind of fills you up. Your stretch receptors kick in. You had a salad, plus, you put all that other stuff on the salad. People don't just eat lettuce. They put all that other stuff on there that makes it calorically dense. Focus on what you're eating. And I recommend that you stay as close to carnivore as possible. Eat beef, lamb. You can have some pork and poultry. I've been lowering my pork and poultry because they're monogastric stomach animals, chickens and pigs. And the omega-6 fatty acid content, the linoleic acid, is higher in those animals. So I do eat chicken and I do eat pork, but I eat a lot less of it now because, knowledge is power. I would rather have beef. Beef is king. You have all of your essential amino acids that make up a complete protein in beef and lamb. And then I have eggs. Eggs are the perfect food for nutrition. They contain all of the essential amino acids that make up a complete protein, and healthy omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, mostly 3, which is what we want to increase. We want our omega-6 and 3 ratio in balance, and you get that when you eat carnivore. Now, think about what you put in your body and don't necessarily worry about the quantity. When you're full, when you have enough healthy fats with the protein that come with the meat, your body will tell you you're full. Your leptin signals kick in. Your stress receptors kick in and say, no more, and you stop eating. I also used to have pork rinds every once in a while. I kind of stopped that because it comes from a pig. It's okay, but I decided to try to stay more on the beef side. So what do I eat on a regular basis? For my first meal of the day, I eat at 12 o'clock noon. I haven't eaten since 6 o'clock the night before. And I'm having 4 eggs, leftover meat, steak cut up from the night before, and either a small piece of wild-caught sockeye salmon or some wild-caught shrimp. And of course, cooked in my favorite, butter. That satiates me like you can't believe. I don't really need to eat for the rest of the day until the next day, but I do have dinner around 5:30, 6 o'clock at night. I finish around 6:15. And we always have some kind of meat on the grill, my Traeger grill. And that totally fills me up for the rest of the night. Think about what you're eating. Focus on quality, healthy animal products, and you will be full, and you will notice your quality of health goes up. I will see you in my next video, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day, everybody. Remember, eat well so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself.